Is your laptop battery draining so fast, or is your laptop battery not lasting the way it's supposed to be? Don't worry, Blessed got your back. In this video, I will show you 10 tricks on how to fix a laptop battery draining so fast. But before we dive into today's topic, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment on this video. Let's dive in. Here are clear and simple 10 ways to fix a laptop battery drains issue. I will take you through step by step, both software and hardware solution. Number 1. Check background apps. Too many background apps running can drain your battery very fast.